All right, this is 2019 Leaf Best of Football, 2 box, 2 random teams per spot, number 1. So there is 16 spots. It's $24 each, and you're going to get 2 random teams. All 32 teams are in on the break, so you get 2 random teams for 24. We can do this up to 5 times because this is a fresh 10-box case. So we're going to open it up and get 2 boxes out of here, and then we're going to try to run it back. I've already lined it in the chat. Some people are probably waiting until to see if they get a hit or not. Other people, if you want to start, you're not in this one, start us a list so we can jump into the next one. It's only 16 spots, so it might not be too hard to keep going with these. But what else? Dave, please send over. J Finn, send over. JT, I talked to you, and I think everybody else is good. And what else? Oh, there's 2 buyback cards and 2 Leaf rookie retro cards in this. So obviously there's only going to be 2 main hits in this out of 16 spots. So good luck, everybody. Well, let's go ahead and get the box open here. All right. So we have a fresh sealed case here, 10 boxes. I've been waiting to dig into this. Definitely one of my favorite buybacks. All the Leaf stuff is always good. They have a nice little sale sheet that they put together, but they always put nice stuff in outside of that as well. All right. I think what we'll do is we'll roll the dice for the boxes as well as the random names and stuff. So this is a dice roll for all 3 on the random. 7 times. 7 times. All right, what I'm going to do here is boxes 1 through 5, 6 through 10. We'll go with the top 2 on 7. Okay, let's see. All right, 7 times. Oh, I got to get it up on the screen here. We will do the names first. So J Finn has 2. Nancy with 2, that's 4. CJ Paulman has 2, that's 6. Josh Tony has 2, that's 8. Dave Jenkins has 2, that's 10. FC has 4, that makes 14, and Nancy has 2 more, that makes 16. So the way I'm going to get you 2 random teams is I'm going to copy this list, go back down to the bottom, and paste that list there. So now you're each getting 2 spots out of 32. We're going to go 7 times and shake these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th and final time. All right, J Finn at the bottom and CJ up top. I'll get that list on the spreadsheet. And then next, we have the 49ers down to the Vikings. We're going to go 7 times, and we'll match those up with your names. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th and final time. On 7. Broncos up top, Patriots at the bottom. I'll show you guys those team names in just a second because we have one more dice roll here. On 7, we're going to go with the top 2 for the boxes we're using for this break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The final time. Top 2 is boxes 9 and 5. Boxes 9 and 5. So there's your teams. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the 5th box. 6, 7, 8, and there is the 9th box. All right. Dave is paid up. Thank you, Dave. Appreciate it. All right, guys. So let's make sure everything's visible up there. It's not. Let me fix that for you. I think it's still a little bit light. Let's see. Oh, no, it's all on there now. Jay Finn with the Patriots is at the bottom spot there. CJ's up top with the Broncos. This Chase dude is unreal. All right. There is your teams, guys, all bolted up. If you want to do any trading, selling, or purchasing, you got a couple seconds. I can show you the sales sheet, but really there's only maybe 6 or 7 cards on there. I think Lamar, Mahomes, Brady, Rodgers, Emmett are on the sales sheet. But all right, let's see what we got and then try to run it back. Let's check these out first. Best of Football 2019. One buyback card / item. That's right. They do have it on the sales sheet. I believe it's got to be a redemption for a box of National Treasures, and I don't even know which one. I didn't look at it close enough, but some sort of NT football. So that's pretty big, obviously. And then there's one Leaf Best of Football original card. All right. All right. First card. DK Metcalf. Clear rookies for the Seahawks. Seattle Seahawks. DK Metcalf. Clear rookie. That's going to Nancy. Our first hit. Our first hit. Oh, it's pretty nice. Look at that. Kyler Murray, RPA out of 99 from Absolute. Graded a Beckett, BGS Mint 9 for the Cardinals. First card is going to Jay Finn. There you go, Jay Finn. Absolute 2019 Rookie Premier Jumbo Material Autographs, number 226, Kyler Murray. RPA 68 of 99. Beckett graded a Mint 9 with an auto of 10. Going to Jay Finn. Very nice. All right, box number 2. Oh, sweet hit here. Wow, and we got a numbered Devo Samuel, 2 of 7 on the clear rookies red, 2 of 7 for the 49ers. That is Jay Finn. Devo, 2 of 7, but a real nice, Moss with another touchdown. Wow. Randy's got to be going crazy. He's a tight end. Sick. Randy going crazy. I love Randy. Wow. All right, guys, we got a nice one here. Check this out. PSA 10 Tom Brady from 2000 Skybox Impact. Tom Brady rookie PSA 10 for the Patriots. Jay Finn, I don't know how you did it, but you cleaned up with the clean sweep. 2 spots, 4 teams, 2 hits, and one of the rookie retro cards as well. But this is nice here. Both are nice. 2000 Skybox Impact Tom Brady rookie. Number 27 for the Patriots, graded a PSA Gem Mint 10. Pretty sweet. Congrats, JFin. Sorry, everybody. JFin cleaned up. Let me know if you want a number 2. I already lined it in the chat. Just drop some numbers. We'll get the next one going. Let's keep it going. This stuff is awesome. Also do have personals for Prism Basketball. 18, 19, 19, 20. Also have contenders. Well, let me know if anybody wants to rip some personals.